ladies, gentlemen, and anyone who's ever failed a geography test. Today we're exposing one of the biggest lies ever sold to humanity. A lie so powerful, it's been printed in textbooks, repeated by teachers, and probably whispered by your weird uncle at Thanksgiving.
My uncle really isn't a bad man.
That's right. The Great Wall of China is not visible from space. And honestly, that sucks. I'm not saying my entire childhood was a fraud, but if this wall isn't visible from space, what's next? Is the moon made of cheese? Is Australia real? Wait, don't answer that. Today, we're diving into why this myth sucks, why we fell for it, and why you should never trust anyone who says "trust me" while wearing a "I love space" t-shirt. By the end of this video, you'll be questioning everything, your teachers, your parents, and why you still can't fold a fitted sheet. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's rewind. The idea that the Great Wall is visible from space dates back long before the space age. In 1754, English antiquarian William Stukeley wrote that the wall might be discerned at the moon. Fast forward to the 20th century, and Ripley's Believe It or Not called it the mightiest work of man visible from space. Despite humans not having, gone to space yet. Then came the Apollo missions. After Neil Armstrong landed on the moon, rumors swirled that he'd seen the wall. But when asked, Armstrong replied, "I do not believe the Great Wall is visible from the moon."
Then what happened?
So once upon a time, someone looked at the Great Wall, a 13,000-mile long noodle of bricks, and said, "You know what? That's definitely visible from space."
That's dumb.
Let's tell the kids. And just like that, generations of teachers, documentaries, and that one guy at the planetarium started spreading this lie faster than a viral cat video.
Class, the Great Wall is the only man-made structure you can see from space.
Except, cities, highways, and that giant IKEA in Sweden. But sure, let's credit the wall. Why did we believe this? Because space is cool, the wall is big, and humans love bragging about our achievements.
Not all of us.
It's like saying, yeah, we built this thing, and aliens are definitely noticing. In 2003, China's first astronaut, Yang Liwei, shattered the myth for his country. Later, NASA confirmed, under perfect conditions, you might see the wall with radar or zoom lenses, but so can you see roads, airports, and even farmland. The wall isn't special, it's just another human mark on Earth. So why can't you see the Great Wall from space? Let's break this down. The Great Wall is long, but it's only about 30 feet wide. From space, that's like trying to spot a single strand of spaghetti from a helicopter. And guess what? It's made of dirt and rocks that blend into the landscape. So unless astronauts are packing binoculars the size of a Prius, nope.
The Great Wall is not visible from orbit. Sorry, folks.
Did you hear that? Chris Hadfield just crushed our childhoods. But wait, there's more. Turns out, you can see highways from space. Yep, the Great Wall lost its crown to asphalt, the ultimate humiliation. So the longest structure visible from space is actually a road. The Great Wall isn't just invisible, it's been demoted to that thing you built instead of inventing cars.
Why are you so sad?
Let's talk betrayal. We trusted textbooks, teachers, Bill Nye. And for what? To learn that the Great Wall is as visible from space as my will to live on a Monday morning? This isn't just about a wall, it's about trust. If they lied about this, what else is fake? Is the moon even real? Are birds just government drones? Is water actually wet, or is that another lie? Is the Eiffel Tower just a fancy coat rack? Is the Statue of Liberty holding a selfie stick? Is Siri judging me right now? Look, the Great Wall is still awesome. It's ancient, it's massive, and it's got a built-in zombie defense system. But it doesn't need this space myth to be cool. That's like saying Beyoncé is famous because she once held a door open for someone. She's Beyoncé. She doesn't need your lies. Why do myths like this stick around? Because humans love a good story. Visible from space sounds epic. It's the same reason we believe in no homework weekends, or I'll just watch one more episode. We're suckers for hope. Myths thrive because they're fun. But here's the kicker. Misinformation today isn't just in textbooks. It's in your feed, your group chats, and that email from Prince Bodo offering you $10 million. Stay skeptical, folks.
Wake up, sheeple!
So next time someone says, "Trust me, I read it online," remember, the internet also told us Tide Pods were a snack. Stay curious, stay petty, and for the love of gravity, fact-check your weird uncle.
Well, if it isn't my favorite uncle.
So yeah, the Great Wall isn't visible from space. But guess what? It's still a marvel of human engineering. Built over 2,000 years ago, it survived wars, emperors, and Instagram influencers. Let's celebrate it for what it is, not some fake flex for aliens. Now it's your turn. What fact did you learn that turned out to be total BS? Was it that gum stays in your stomach for 7 years? That George Washington had wooden teeth? Drop your betrayal in the comments. I need more material for my trust issues. Until next time, remember, the truth is out there, but sometimes it's just hiding behind a really bad myth.
What are we gonna do?
I've already subscribed.